Welcome to the MSRA Back to the 50s here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds for our 40th annual car show with over 12,000 custom cars, 1964 and older. Enjoy the next video and I'd hope to see you here.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Thanks for being here. Please enjoy the show. So pretty, right?
I know.
Back to the 50s car show 2022 and welcome to the 1955 Chevy Bel Air. What a beaut.
Shows well in a beautiful day.
Hi, my name is Chuck Homeland. This is Teresa Homeland, and we're looking at my 1955 Chevy Bel Air. It has a 350 Chevy LT1 motor, fuel injected. It has a turbo 700 automatic transmission with an overdrive, and the interior's been all redone. The whole the car's been stripped down to nothing and redone probably about 10 years ago. I purchased it 3 years ago, and we totally enjoy the car. With the interior, I've done a few upgrades with the console and the gauges. It's just a joy to drive. My lovely bride here hasn't driven it yet, but we got to get her to drive it. I do. It's tough to keep it clean.
This is spectacular, isn't it? Are these seats from a Corvette?
Seats from a Corvette?
No, I don't know where the seats came from. The interior is done in Oklahoma.
Okay. And then, so who does your detailing?
That'd be myself at home.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep. Trying to keep it clean, and it's a tough job. And of course, Teresa helps me out on occasion.
Sure. So what kind of wax do you use?
I use a microfiber towels,
Okay.
and just use a lot of is Windex to clean all the chrome.
There you go.
And then a Meguiar's spray wax, just to spray it down and keep it polished.
She's getting into this. She's doing well, isn't she?
That's my bride's idea with the shoes on the floor.
There's supposed to be a red and white electric guitar in the back window, but we need to find that.
All right. And so look at all this. So is this stainless steel or chrome?
It's all stainless.
Okay. Very, very nice. And then would you point out the wheels, Vanna?
Yep, and then about the odometer and all that, that's been redone?
Yeah, after I got the car, they asked me to drive it home from Oklahoma, and I decided not to, and we found out the gas gauge didn't work, so we went to Dakota Digital and did the whole new digital dash. Was very nice.
And then tell us about the engine.
The engine is an LT1. The motor was in the car when I purchased it. It's a 350 .350 fuel injected, runs awesome, air conditioning, power steering, manual brakes, which it's hard to stop the car. As you can see, it's been sitting outside all day, so I need to take it home and polish it up again.
That is so neat. That is so neat. It's like, and then turn it a little bit. There you go, there you go. It's like Elvis, right? And then go ahead. Oh, we're going there with the truck. Okay, all right. And they already did a video. They should know better. Okay. And so,
Now we're going to start the car. That's
piece of cake, right?
and that's my daughter Kathleen taking off in the 55.
Right. It's pizza night, right? Friday night?
Yes, Friday night, go.